Pista eh, no? Bakit ngayon? Bakit ngayon? this show. It took us how many years? I was 18 and you were...
12.
And you were 8 years
I was there.
And so it is really just such a big blessing to be able to see you all together for the first time. And PJ, yeah, alam mo na. We would like to thank our supporters for being with us through this journey from the beginning until now.
Yes.
And thank you for being with us on our roller coaster ride. Hindi ka ba nakakasakay doon?
Gusto namin pasalamatan ang mga pasyonistas. Yung mga pasyonistas ba dito?
Grabe yung libro na binigay ng mga pasyonistas from 2003.
From the 18th. Since when you're 18 till the present. Grabe. And also the Crispy Burks. Mas marami tayong Crispy Burks dito kaysa pasyonistas.
Ay, talaga. May mic pala ako.
So, yeah.
You know, I'm so, ano ba, kinakabahan ako tuwing magkasama kami ni Piolo sa stage because... Okay, kayo naman, no? Asumbi. Hindi, kasi first time kong magkaroon ng parang showbiz na...
Kaduet.
Relationship, kaduet. So...
Thank you, Christina.
Hindi pa ako sanay. Si PJ sanay na. So, tinutulungan naman niya ako through this.
Sobra ka.
I know.
Ngayon lang ako naging kagayto ba intimate sa kasama ko. Wow!
Intimacy naman ang pinag-uusapan dito. Ha? Nakakita ko lang ng mahigpit na ano.
Sobra. Yeah, because you know, it's been of course a lot of you would know. May pera ko dito. May jeep sa labas. Anyways, a lot of you have been a witness to how it's evolved or how it's gone through.
Mag-get over.
But you know, it's such a blessing to be performing with you here and to be doing this tour. We talked about this last year, and now this year, you know, alam niyo naman pinagdaanan namin. Panoorin nila sa The Buzz. Joke. But you know, we're here because of you guys. We're here because of your support. We're here because of your clamor. And at this point, we would like to just sing a song na matagal na namin hindi kinanta. Actually, this was the theme song of our soap opera, Lovers in Paris.
PJ, ilang beses ka nang nakapunta sa Chicago?
Many times. I'd be here almost every year, no? Wala pa na naguhubad kami sa stage ng Hunks. Hanggang sa nag-i-Inglesan kami ni Sam dito. Ngayon naman, kunyari,
ngayon, rocker ka na.
may kasama ko napaka-sexy.
Thank you. Bait mo.
Totoo naman yun. Sexy niya, no?
PJ, tigil-tigil naman. Ito pa pagaling ka na. Thank you. Ano na?
Katay na natin ito para pa sa inyo lahat.
Ano ba awa? Gusto ka bang sabihin